This video covers managing issues in the Hi Service portal. Alex is a customer admin on Hi for his company. He needs to check on the status of an issue he submitted on Hi, as well as his company's issues. Let's look at the options for managing issues on Hi. In the Hi Service portal, we can access open issues and closed issues, here under Issues. My Open Issues displays issues that the logged-in user has submitted, and Company Open Issues displays those submitted by anyone in the user's company. The data is displayed in a card view, grouping together all the relevant information regarding the case. The Closed Issues page provides all the same features, but only displays issues in the closed state. We can search either list by issue number, or we can filter issues which have alerts. The filter will display cases that are in the states Work in Progress awaiting info, or Solution Proposed. An alert means that some action is required to move the issue towards resolution. In this case, Solution Proposed means that we can accept or reject the solution proposed by the agent working the case. We can open the card for each issue to see more details without leaving the list view. Here we can see that the case was associated with this problem, and that there's a workaround available for this known error, documented in this knowledge base or KB article. We can also sort issues by when they were last updated by support, the date opened, and the priority. Similar data is displayed in the Cases and Problems pages if you prefer a list view. Both pages filter the data based on specific criteria that you can change. And you can remove filters right from the filter list here. You can also personalize the columns displayed in the list. Here we want to display these additional columns. And here they are in the list. We can easily remove columns from the list display as well. For more information, please see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.